Hello friends, to check the engine when buying a car or just check the condition, first you need to start the engine and increase the speed. If there is extraneous sound, then there is a problem. Further, we unscrew a cover on the engine and it should not be thrown away. It shouldn't be retracted. If it's thrown away, then the gases from the combustion chamber break through and the piston does not hold. Then we unscrew the cap again, and if there are oil splashes in the large quantity, then there is a problem in the engine. In small quantities, it's acceptable. You can also check with your finger of carbon deposit on the exhaust pipe. If there is a little soot or just dirt, then it's normal. In other case, there are problems. Then we check the smoke from the muffler. If it's black or bluish, then the engine costs money. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new